Welcome to the demo of PMI ACP training where we are providing you some of the contents and details how we are going to cover this training and what and all modules we are covering in that and how the process. Okay, so this slide is related to Mind Magics. You can just find out how reputed we are and to how many candidates we have given the training, provided training on the corporate level as well. We are providing the trainings online, corporate training, even the self-paced videos as well. We are providing selection for cracked interviews also. We are helping candidates to update their resume as per the market trend and how they are looking for the which certification they are looking. On the basis of that, we help participants to update their CVs. Today's agenda to complete this training is how we prepare participants for the PMI ACP certification and what and all things we will cover throughout the training. Whenever we talk about introduction of Agile fundamentals, it will include complete mindset of Agile, fundamentals of Agile, its manifesto, values and principles. Along with that, other frameworks which has been introduced by Agile and how to identify which framework is suitable for which technology. Going forward, let me introduce myself in detail. I am having 15 plus years of experience in IT industry. I have completed my post-graduation in computer science and I initiated my career as a Java developer. Basically, I am from the technical background. After 9 years of my work experience, I moved to the project management where I was contributing to handle team, to manage projects, to manage resources, manage risk analysis. I was into the basically entire life cycle of the project where we work from one phase to another phase, basically from initiation of the requirement to the release till production environment. In the other panel, you can see all my achievements which I have completed throughout my journey. I am basically a Sun certified. I have not mentioned here because it is not related to the functional area which I am working right now. When we talk about the management side, I have completed my PMI ACP. After that, I have started with the Scrum certification and I joined as a Scrum Master. I started my career and moved from developer to functional side. I have completed my CSPO as well. I am a certified PMI PMP. I have completed my Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. Also, I am a certified Agile coach where I do train teams for their evaluation to implementation from waterfall to Agile methodology. When I talk about the PMI ACP curriculum, these all are the concepts which will be covering throughout the journey of PMI ACP training. In the curriculum, you can see here what is Agile, knowledge and skills, Agile domains, project management methodology, needs of Agile, its values and principles, Agile Lean, APM framework, Agile planning, monitoring and adapting, Agile estimations, Agile analysis and design, communication, soft skill negotiation, matrices, product quality, risk management, continuous improvement, team performance, value-driven delivery, stakeholder engagement. So, when I talk about all these modules, basically these all modules or concepts are divided into two parts. One part is Agile tool and techniques and other is Agile knowledge and skills. Going forward, let me just clarify what is tools and techniques. Tools and techniques includes the various methodologies and frameworks to work with Agile or how you can be Agile. So these all are tools and techniques which we will refer here in PMI ACP. Communication, planning, monitoring and adapting, Agile estimation, Agile analysis and design, product quality, soft skill negotiation, value-based prioritization, matrices, risk management, value stream analysis. So these all are tools and techniques which we will be using, which is provided by Agile methodology to resolve and work with that concept to the organization to implement few of the things which will be providing improvement to our existing strategy. The other part I have said about agile knowledge and skills. That is also again divided into three parts: level 1, level 2, level 3. In level 1 we will be using how you can being agile or change your mindset, which will be covered in what is agile and the mindset of agile, its values, principles, and so on. In level 2, we will be adopting agile or mentor someone to adapt agile. So that will be covered into agile adoption, and we will be seeing how we can mentor other team members or other participants from the organization who all are interested to work or to be agile. In level 3, we will be following all the best practices which is provided by Agile. So that is how Agile is divided into two parts: Agile tools and technique and Agile knowledge. And moving forward, in this slide, you can see how the PMI-ACP exam will refer all the modules which are part of this course. Domain 1 to domain 7. So these all are the domains which are listed here in this slide, and shown all the percentages how from each of the domain exams will come, what percentage will come into the exam. So agile principle and mindset will be 16%, value driven delivery will be 20%, stakeholder engagement will be 17%, team performance will be 16%, adaptive planning will be 12%, problem detection and resolution will be 10%, and at last continuous improvement will be 9%. So that is how the exams will be containing all the questions from every domain and what percentage will be, you can consider with this slide. Moving forward, let me introduce what is PMI-ACP and what has the value in the market. PMI, Agile Certified Practitioner, is a professional certification for Agile practitioners offered by PMI Project Management Institute, and project management practitioners are increasingly embrace the Agile techniques for successful management of projects. PMI-ACP certification will provide you an edge over your peers by formally recognizing your knowledge of Agile principles and your expertise with Agile tools and also the PMI-ACP certification is a combination of training, working experience in Agile environment, and evaluation of Agile principles and organization often rely on project practitioners for application on diversified methodology method on project management, and PMI-ACP is one such global certification that enable professionals to support that need. Now, what all benefits we will get out of it when we complete our certification and we'll try to contribute to our organization? What and all benefits we can show and we can utilize? Number one will be high demand, because now all the organizations are moving towards agile, and you can see it's a market trend. Like if organizations are not into agile, they are also getting less business, because every client, every business is interested to get early response and frequent releases. So agile will always promote that, like agile methodology, we guarantee we will be giving frequent releases and with the high quality of product. Also, in the market, product also will be up to the market trend. So whatever new things will be implemented or it is coming into the market, that will be always we are referring to our product, which will make our product up to the market level. Wide scope, definitely it has a very wide scope. Professional growth, yes, because everyone is looking for that, and we will be getting professional growth because we are accepting all the opportunities where we can explore new things and we can contribute after doing that new changes, after getting all these feedbacks, changes or new things, we can contribute with all those things to the organization, and the organization will always consider new improvements and new strategies which will help always to grow into the market. Makes you marketable, yes, Definitely it will be, because our product will be always up to the market trend, because whatever coming into the market, we are always accepting that as a feedback and will try to incorporate those things into our product. Benefits to organization: by doing all these things, by learning new things, by observing the market fashion, we will always try to provide those benefits to the organization. And organization always will consider those candidates on the top priority who will always ready to contribute in new manners to the organization. With this, we can get two type of certification. One, just to know the Agile certification, that is the course completion in Agile, which will be provided by the Agile Mind Magics. Another one is ACP, which is again you need to enroll yourself with PMI Institute and you need to register yourself for ACP exam, where you need to introduce all the information provided by the Mind Magics, like how you have, where you have enrolled yourself, from where you got the training contents, how many hours of training you have attended, clear all your concept related to Agile methodology. So all these things, all these informations you need to write it down when you are filling up the login form or whenever you are registering yourself for the exam. Now coming to the PMI ACP, how the course will move and what and all things you will be getting out of it. The PMI ACP total duration will be 24 hours. The course includes the LED, online training, meeting recording, slides, what the study material will be using during the online training, that will be provided to you in the soft copy. Exam questions we will be covering after completion of each module. We will be covering exams from that module, so which will be making you sure like how clear concept you have about this particular topic. Interview preparation, yes, we do train with the to the participants how they will be going to crack their interviews in the future after updating or after doing this edition, like they have done PMI certificate, ACP certificate. Resume preparation, we will be having a sample of CV. With the help of that, you will be updating your current CV with the help of that template, and you can get more opportunities. That template you will know like how your CV should be, how it has to be prepared, what and all things you can keep on top and what and all things will be at the lower, that all these things will be mentioned and will be helping you to prepare that as well. As I said, after completing the course or training from the Mind Magics, you will be getting a course completion certificate for the Agile training. Throughout this training, we will be providing two projects to the participants where they need to create these projects and verify with us how the projects will be done and what the understanding they have. If any doubt, we are always there till they clear their exam. We are there to help them out. We will be helping them how they'll be creating this project. After verification of this project, we will give the certification and we will tell you, like also we will help you if any mistake in the project, we'll try to correct that as. We want always to the participant, they should have a clear understanding for each and every concept so that they will not face any challenge at the real time experience when they'll work for that. The first project will be Agile adoption and mindset. You need to understand how you need to change your mindset, what it is, and how the adoption level should improve level wise. Another project will be provided to you how your transformation journey will start from waterfall or other methodology like hybrid methodology, pure Agile methodology, and how you can identify this project is suitable to Agile methodology or not. It is not kind of like blindly you can just put any of the project into Agile methodology and will start running, because in future you might get failures for those projects which are not suitable for the Agile methodology. So that is also important, how you will be going to judge the project suitability to the Agile methodology and how you will run throughout the journey of Agile implementation. In the next slide, I have shown here one URL. So after completion of your course, all related things you will be finding from this location, which I have explained what you will collect out of this training. All the slides, all the soft copies, resume template, interview questions, right? And also the examination preparation questions as well, which will be a sample questions for your certification, which will help you. Some of the online links also you will get get where you can just get sample exams or demo exam for your certification. The process for mock interview will be enroll the course, complete the course, prepare your resume, attend your mock interview session and performance feedback. So that will be the process to your mock interview. For the demo questions, whatever you have any doubt or anything, you can just feel free to drop the query at info@mindmagics.com. Here we will try to clear all your queries and provide you the right solution. That's all from my side. Thank you.